This is Europeland Toolbox's video tutorial 7, Draw Tools. Let's check on the draw tools of the Europeland Toolbox version 1.6. Let's explore the drawing tools available in the toolbox. These tools are designed for future expansion, but they are already integrated into version 1.6. Users can draw a custom polygon with options to edit it, delete the last point, or finalize the shape. Once the polygon is finalized, future tools will allow you to perform analyses within that specific area, such as calculating land cover percentages, running comparisons with the slider, or applying upcoming features restricted to the selected region. In addition to the free-form polygon, the toolbox also includes rectangle and circle drawing tools, offering different ways to define an area of interest.